Hi fellow developers, welcome back to the Qualcomm AI Hub video series. In this video, we will show you how to check the accuracy of your model after you have optimized your model's performance, so you can feel confident and ready for deployment. The first step after optimizing your model is to ensure that your model is numerically accurate by comparing the on-device results to the reference implementation. You can do this by submitting an inference job to Qualcomm AI Hub using a previously compiled job. The inference job requires a dictionary input, which can be used to check if the predictions are accurate. For this step, you can either use a previously uploaded dataset or upload a new image and transform it into a dictionary so that inference can be run on the input image. Let's check out how to do this. In this example, we will use MobileNet and validate the numerics of a Qualcomm AI Engine Direct model library model on device by comparing it to the PyTorch reference implementation. We want to deploy our model on a device that is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, so we specified the Samsung Galaxy S24. Let's submit a compile job so that we can get the target model, a .so file, to run inference with the input data on our device. We then provide the test image for testing the model. In this case, we'll provide a URL to the image and then resize it to be a dictionary of the array shape expected so that it matches the input specs. Now that the test image has been provided, we can submit an inference job. Once it is successfully completed, we can download the output data. Next, we compare the model outputs for the on-device model versus the PyTorch MobileNet model, our pre-trained model. To do this, let's use the on-device raw output to generate the probabilities of class predictions and use ImageNet classes to identify the top 5 predictions for both models. Since the predictions are nearly equivalent, we have the confidence that the model optimized by Qualcomm AI Hub did not regress in accuracy when being optimized and should behave as expected once deployed. Of course, the output data from our inference job can be used multiple times to perform many more accuracy calculations, and more images can be used to increase confidence. Once you are satisfied with the model accuracy, you can download the compiled asset to be bundled into your application and deployed on device. Now that you know how to check the accuracy of your model with confidence, we encourage you to try compiling and running inference on your own model. If you run into any problems in this process or have any questions along the way, please reach out to us on Slack by joining our Qualcomm AI Hub community. And stay tuned for more videos.